Well, if you caught Daybreak this morning with Terry and myself, we're talking about the potential of severe weather and another soggy day. What a weekend underneath the clouds and the showers out there. Not the best weekend for mothers, unfortunately, but we still continue with the threat of some rain out there, which just about everybody's receiving. But it's the severe weather threat that we want to concentrate on this afternoon. First things first, the rain has moved in. There isn't any lightning associated with what you see on the radar right now, but I want to track this showers, just the heaviest of which showing up right around the Kalamazoo area. If we could, right there, I'm going to follow that up to I-196, and it should arrive up around, I'd say the Portland area, Saranac, sometime right around or just prior to the 1 o'clock time frame. And overall, we're looking at conditions out there staying wet right on through much of this afternoon. Let's zoom in a little bit. You can see the heavier showers now just west of the Grand Rapids area, Lamont heading up towards the Marne area, Coopersville. Also some more just moving out of the Kalamazoo area, at least the main batch up here. There's another heavier shower moving into the Kalamazoo area. But again, none of this is producing lightning as of yet. But later on this afternoon, as a cold front gets a little bit closer to us, we'll have that chance of severe weather. Storm Prediction Center has it just east and just west of Kalamazoo and points to the east. That is the slight risk area. And we're looking at primarily, I would say, straight line winds with this. And the time frame about mid-afternoon. It could be 3 o'clock, but more or less 4 p.m. to around the 8 o'clock time frame as that cold front moves through from west to east. Again, straight line winds, the primary threat. We're talking wind gusts possibly exceeding 50 miles an hour. But there's a lot of dynamics with this system, meaning low-level wind shear, and it really sets up, especially south and east of Grand Rapids, up around the I-69 corridor towards Detroit and the Flint area. So an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out, but the threat is certainly more so on the eastern side of the state. I'm kind of curious what the Storm Prediction Center is going to do with that slight risk area. I really think they're going to shove it a little bit further east. We'll see. Right now in Grand Rapids, something's clogging up the southbound US 131 S-curve. We'll get you updated on that, but keep in mind if you're heading south of town and you take the S-curve, it's going to be a slow go for now. Try to find an alternate route. The latest on the visible satellite radar composite, well, here's the warm front. It is moving very slowly to the north. Temperatures on the south side of it, right around 70 degrees. That cold front's going to move in. Already a little bit of a line developing in the central part and northern part of Illinois. And that cold front, again, is going to march through here later on today. Futurecast shows at the 5 o'clock time frame, nice solid line of showers and thunderstorms from Lansing, Battle Creek to just east of Kalamazoo at that time frame. And from Grand Rapids westward, we'll actually be in a clearing out, drying out mode at that time. And at 9 o'clock, I may even see a couple peaks to the sun, something we haven't seen at all much of this past weekend. Clouds move back in by tomorrow morning. A few sprinkles, light rain showers are possible. Not the best of days. Wind will be up there as well. Notice how the wind really ramps up later on tonight behind that cold front. And we'll see a sustained wind out of the west-southwest tomorrow, right around 20 or actually 15 to 25 miles per hour. So tomorrow's going to be a cool one. It shows on the 8-day forecast. But we do moderate the temperatures. Wednesday, Thursday, a fair amount of sunshine with a lot of mid and high level clouds. As we head into this upcoming weekend, looks like the 70s return and a nicer weekend overall than what we had this previous weekend. So that's certainly some good news. Now again, the latest will be staffed all afternoon, obviously, as Kyle and Bill will come in. And if there's any severe weather, you know you can always tune us in. Okay, we'll be tracking that. It was soggy yesterday, but still a wonderful Mother's Day no matter what, right? Yeah, family comes in usually and rescues the day. That's right. Weather didn't matter. Okay, thanks, man.